Hello students, today we are going to write notes for lesson number 3, how a computer works. Students, please take out your computer notebook and start writing notes. A. Multiple choice questions. Tick, write the correct options. 1. Things which we feed into the computer using input devices are called options A. Commands, B. Input, C. Data, D. None of this. Answer C. Data. Second, the devices used to enter data or instructions into the computer are called options A. Output devices, B. Storage devices, C. Input devices, D. All of these. Answer C. Input devices. Third, which one of these is the processing device of a computer? Options A. Mouse, B. CPU, C. Monitor, D. Keyboard. Answer B. CPU. Fourth, which one of these is an output devices? Options A. Keyboard, B. Monitor, C. CPU, D. Mouse. Answer B. Monitor. Fifth, hard disks, CD, DVD and pen drives are called options A. Storage devices, B. Input devices, C. Processing devices, D. Output devices. Answer A. Storage devices. Question B. Put tick right for the true statements and cross for the false statements. 1. Scanner is an output device. Answer wrong. Second, mouse is an input device. Answer right. Third, CPU is a processing device. Answer right. Fourth, hard disk is a fixed inside the CPU box. Answer right. Fifth, DVD is an output device. Answer wrong. C. Filling the blanks with suitable words given in the box below. Into bracket, mouse, hard, CPU, input, speaker. 1. Dash devices are used to enter data or give instruction to a computer for processing. Answer input, INPUT. Second, dash is an input device. Answer mouse, MOUSE. Third, all work of processing is done by the dash. Answer CPU. Fourth, dash is an output device. Answer speaker. SPEAKER. Fifth, the dash disk is the main storage device of a computer. Hard, HARD. Answer the questions given below. 1. What are the 3 basic steps in which a computer works? Answer. A computer works in the three basic steps. 1. Input. Second, process. Third, output. Second, name any two input devices. Mouse and keyboard are the two input devices. Third, name the processing device. CPU is the processing device of a computer. CPU. Fourth, why do we use output devices? We use the output devices of a computer to show the output or result of processing to the user. Fifth, name any two devices. Fifth, name any two storage devices which are also external devices. Answer: CD, DVD and pen drives are external devices. Students, we have finished notes. I hope you all are completing notes on time.